everybody, again it's me Asam Filipina, and today another unboxing video. So I have my anklet today. So this one is for my garden. This is just a quick unboxing. And then after this one, I also have some of my flip-flops. Like I have here 1, 2, like 7 pairs of flip-flops that I'm gonna try on. So I'm going to make a short video out of this, and then I'm gonna just model it individually. So I'm just gonna make 7 short video of this flip-flops. So for now, I'm gonna show you what I have here. So I'm busy this week. I'm quite busy this week. So I went to the city, shop some school supplies for a giveaway. And this one is for the garden. Oh my god, it's only one. That's it. Oh my gosh. I thought it's long. This is a scam. I don't know how to use this one, but this is for the garden. But it's quite useless. My god. It's really useless, this one. I thought it's a big long stick for my plants, for vines. So just like this, I have to install like this for my vines. And this is it only. Oh my gosh, it looks bigger in the picture. But anyway, let's continue. I'm gonna use this as a paddle. Whip. Whip your butt out of this. So, okay. Next. I forgot what I shot. I will see. Okay. Dress. So cute. It's yellow. Again, looks different. But anyway, it's good. So that's all for now. And the next, I'm still gonna wear this outfit, and we're gonna wear these flip-flops in the floor. You didn't see it, but I'm gonna try on these flip-flops. Well, I'm gonna show you. So that's the flip-flops that we're gonna. So that's all for today, and I see you again next vlog. Love you all, everyone.